Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekarang kita lanjut lagi. Tadi ya yang tadi. Sekarang kita ke kode dulu. Kita ke order.php yang di model. Di sini kita punya relasi ini yang S1. Artinya di address ini memiliki relasi dengan si order ini. Satu order itu satu address gitu. Ya, seperti itu. Satu order punya satu alamat gitu ya. Nah, di sini karena kita bakal buat di app ini di dalamnya itu ada si address. Nah, kita kan belum manggil nih si address yang mana. Ya ada address kan. Nah, kita bakal buat itu. Pertama itu kita ke filament.php dengan yang free 3 teman-teman, pergi ke resources, pergi yang ke managing relationship, lalu salin yang ini, salin tempel oke, terus drop ini entropy ini cloud sampai tadi mana aja ternyata ini oke. Kita salin ulang lagi. Nah, tadi kita akan sudah cari yang ini. Kita fotokopi ini di kategori resource ini ada itu jadi auto resource. Coba kita lihat dulu videonya.
Contain only one address. Okay, so let's close this file and go to the browser and open managing relationship inside this resources. So just click this managing relationship and scroll down. Here you will find the command to create a relation manager. Okay, so I'll copy this command and open my terminal. I'll split a new terminal, paste the command here. Now here we have to focus on these three commands. Okay, so here you can see this is category resource. So basically what is this category resource? So it is the name of the resource class for the owner parent model. So our parent model is order resource, so I will write here order resource. Okay, and the name of the relationship is address, so I will write here address. And actually this title is the name of the attribute that will be used to identify posts in this case. Okay, so I will use here if we open the address model, then you can use any of the column name here to identify the address. Okay, so I can use this street address, this city, this state, or zip code. Okay, so I will use this street address for now. Okay, so
di address ini kita cari address PHP itu kita saja copy di orang ini tadi setelah address lalu kita
just copy and paste here. Now hit enter. Now here you can see a file has been created. So let me show you. First close the terminal and inside this app directory and in this filament directory, if you go to this order resources, then there is a new folder created and with name relation managers. And if we open this folder, then there is a file address relation manager.php file. Okay, so here we have to define the form and table to create an address and relate to the order. Okay, so let me reload here. So you will not see any changes here. Now if I will open any order and go to the edit page, then you will find the relation below here, but still there is nothing showing here. So to show, let me first open this order resource.php file. So we have to call this address relation manager inside this function get relation function. Okay, so here I'll write address relation manager and then use class. Okay, make sure to import this class properly in the top. Okay, so here you can see this is the class address relation manager.
Oke, jadi pertama itu kita ke sini nih, kita klik dulu kayak gini, kita cek dulu apakah ada itu si ini dia. Kok gak ada di filament? Lah kemana dia? Dan oh ini dia, order address relationship manager. Ah ini dia. Pasti di situ kan tidak muncul tuh kayak punya si itu tadi. Coba kita tutup dulu. Kaget juga ya, kagak ada gitu tadi. Coba. Nah ini kan ada page, ada order result. Gini kan? Kenapa namanya ada ini manager? Kenapa beda ya? Order resource, mission manager. Oh iya iya, tuh karena ini salah satu dulu. Oke, tutup dulu. Ini jadi yang order tadi, order resource. Jadi yang ada relationnya, ini dia. Terus tadi bahkan ada relationnya ini.
Address relation
Address relation, kita kasih relasinya, relation manager kelas ini.
manager and then use class. Okay, make sure to import this class properly in the top. Okay, so here you can see this is the class address relation manager.
Address relation manager. Apa sih ini? Use mana tadi? Use add mana? Nah ini dia. Ya sudah, ini nggak perlu. Sudah ya. Ini dua.
Now if you save this file and go to the browser and reload, then you will be able to see a new section.
Coba kita lihat dulu. Edit. Pasti error ya teman-teman. Udah cuy, ini udah pakai ini order resource. Ada di sini. Ya udah, ya Allah. Address. Ada. No. Order resource. Factory subset control back. Nih, add filament resources, order resources, order resource, order resource. Hah, kenapa dia ke dalam sini? Order resource, relation manager, address. Coba kita lihat struktur si India ini. betul ini. Oh. Coba di sini. Gak kebaca ya padahal. Ya Allah, ini kenapa ini? Coba kita sini, kita pengen juga errornya apa. Oke, kita atur ya. Nanti ini kita delete saja, tidak ada gunanya. Oke, sudah. Cek ini. Nah, ini jadinya sudah ada. Yang baru.
This is the class address relation manager. Now if you save this file and go to the browser and reload, then you will be able to see a new section which shows address, and you can create a new address for this order. So right now there is no address for this order. Similarly, if we go to other orders like this order, and if you scroll below, then you will find no address because we have not inserted any address for any of the order. Okay, now if I go to edit page, then only we will be able to see this new address. Now if I click on this new address, then there only one field is showing, that is a street address. Okay, but I will display all the fields. So for this, just go to this address relation manager.php file, and here in form, let me first go above and inside this schema. So I will first create a text input, and I will write first underscore name, and this is a required field, so just use required method, and also max length to 255. Okay, now similarly I will use text input, and then I will use make, and then I will write last underscore name. Okay, and here I will use required and max length to 255. Next column will be phone, so here I will write text input, and I will use make phone. Now here I will use required, and this is a tail type, so we can use tail method here, and also max length. So I will use max length 20. Okay, now next field will be city, so I will use text column, sorry, not text column, text input, and then I will use make city, and this is a required field, and also max length to 255. Now next field will be state, so just use text input, make state, and make it required, max length 255. Now next field will be zip code. Okay, so here I will can use text in
First name, coba kita kontrol dulu. Kita ada relationship ini skema tadi. Input. Ya Allah, text input, make. Oh, ini udah ada. Oke, coba lihat dulu nggak? Kita mau butuh email ya?
input.
Kita butuh city. First name-nya, last name-nya sudah, fontnya required. Ini ada tel nggak saya tadi? Tel, kita akan cek kasih tel nanti. Tel, ini ya, fontnya udah ada tel, city, step. Fontnya itu 20 saja. tadi apa, step ini yang bawah ya,
make zip underscore code,
zip code,
and this is a required field, and this is a numeric field, and max length will be of 10 characters,
10 saja.
and last this street address. Okay, so for this
Oke, itu ini jangan lupa numerik. Sekarang kita cari fungsi tel. Nih, kalau ia di form kadang tel. Ini shorthand ada satu tipe tel di tel juga. Tipe tel jadi tel itu dipakai untuk ngetes bikin input nomor. Oh, input nomor ya pakai tel.
this street address I can use text area. So just import this class, and I will not use max length here. I will use call span full. By default every call
Text area, text input gitu. Text area apa sih ini? Nah, ini nggak maksudnya text area.
I will use call span full.
Full. Maka ini kolom
by default every form container have 2 columns, so all these field will be divided into 2 columns, but this field will be displayed in the full width. So just save and go to the browser, reload this page.
coba kita pilih new address, pasti error. Coba kita cancel dulu. Jadi itu saja sih yang penting, teks ada sangat simpel. Good, set. Coba new address. Nah, sini namanya addressnya. Ntar ini namanya siapa dulu? Main. Oke, ini addressnya. Ini addressnya itu Muhammad Nabi. Cutinya Bukit Tinggi. Ini asal saya teman-teman sekalian. Stat, nah stat nggak tahu lagi apa ini stat. Coba lihat dulu ya.
And now if I click on state, zip code, and street address. Okay, so let me create an address. So
Dia boy. Stat Nebraska zip code. Oh, zip code ini kayak kode itu ya kalau di Indonesia ya. Stat nih, stat tuh Nebraska. Ini Nebraska ini apa? Namanya jadi Nebraska. Zip code ini kayak kode pos 26172. Set address, jalan, berarti mulai baca seperti ini.
I will use fake com extension, and I will click on create. Now here you can see in table one address is showing, so we have to modify the table columns also. So I will remove this, and here I will use text column make, and here I will use full. See, full name is showing here. Okay, similarly I will use another text column, then I will use make, then here I will display the phone.
Di sini atur ya. Apa ini? Astagfirullah.
And then I
Make full name. Sebenarnya apa? Font. Ini tahu dulu. Sampai sini.
I will use another text column. Here I will display the city. I will copy the same line, and here I will display the state. Copy one more time, and here I will display the zip code, and one more time here I'll display the street address. Okay, write a street address, and now if I
Betul ya. Ini pasti jarak dulu bikinnya.
I'll display the street address. Okay, write a street and
Terus kolom. Kenapa pakai tablet ini? Kita kontrol dia dulu. Apakah tablet kolomnya? Text column. Ini text column. Make full name. Nggak perlu. Full name samain aja ya. Samakan full name, font, city, state, default, street address.
and now if I reload, then here you can see all the columns. Full name,
Coba kita reload, pasti error. Hal yang biasa sih kan, kata-kata begini, karena kita nggak lupa use nya. Tapi ini biasanya udah pakai. Oh belum. Sorry. Ya dikit nggak ngaruh. Nah sudah ada nomor degree, sudah tinggi, nomor, status, 19
phone, city, state, zip code, and street address. If you click on this, then you will be see this edit model. Okay, so you can edit the address if you like. Let me make an edit to this address. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Last name Kumar. And now if I click on save changes, then you can see the address has been updated. Okay, so this address is only associated with this address. Now if I click on view this order, then below you will be able to see the address. Okay, now if I go to another if I open another order, then you have to go to the edit page of the order, and then from here, so and you can also delete this address. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to work on order status of the order, okay, and user. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.